In this video I will show you how to download and set up Google Authenticator for Instagram on an iPhone. For this follow these simple steps. For this go and open Instagram app on your iPhone. Next click on Profile at the bottom. Next click on 3 bars at the top right corner. Next tap on Account Center. Next tap on Password and Security. Next tap on Two-Factor Authentication. Click on your Instagram profile. Then tap on Authenticator app. Now we have to use this key in Authenticator. So let's go to App Store and download Google Authenticator as shown here. Click on Download icon to download Google Authenticator. After some time download will get completed. After that click on Open to open Authenticator app. Click on Get Started button. You can use it with or without account. I have account so I will select it. Now come to Instagram and then click on Copy Key to copy your auth key. Now go to your Google Auth app. Then tap on plus icon at the bottom. Tab on Enter a setup key. In the first field you can give name like Instagram. In the second field just paste down the code that you have copied earlier from Instagram. Leave third field as it is. Then click on Add. Now Google Authenticator will start generating 6-digit codes for your Instagram account. Now go to your Instagram app. Click on Next. Now go and get code from Authenticator app and then paste here. You have to do it fast, otherwise it will expire. Next click on Yes. Click on Done. In this way we have set up Authenticator app for Instagram. Now it will ask you to provide this 6-digit code after entering your Instagram username and password when you try to log in to Instagram from any new device. It is useful if you travel internationally and do not have cellular service, or if you are in the area with poor network coverage and you want to be able to receive code in SMS. In this case Google Authenticator will help you because Google Authenticator can work offline anywhere. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.